I'm back. This is really a hectic video, I feel like, but that's just because I don't wanna be walking around the whole day and like pulling out my camera. People are gonna stare, and yeah, I don't know. It's just a thing. It's still a thing for me. But I did film with my phone, and I'm gonna insert the clips in a few minutes. But today we went shopping basically the whole day. After breakfast we went to Santa Fe Mall, and after that we went to El Tesoro Mall. Everything I'm talking about is gonna be linked down below, so make sure to check the description of this video for all the links you may need and want. But yeah, today was a hectic day. I have to get ready for the first night of the Medellín on Fire festival, and I'm half ready. I've got the shirt on, and I still have to do my hair. As you can see, everything is messed up. My feet hurt so bad, but you're not here to listen to me talk about what I still have to do. So I'm just gonna come back when I'm ready, and probably when I'm already in the party. I really don't know. Let's see what happens. I really want to go in that. I'm gonna ask if I can go in that, cause I don't know where I left off, but um, yesterday, it's Saturday now. I got here Tuesday. So yesterday we went to do some more shopping. Um, if I have clips, I will for sure put them. But yeah, it's really, oh yeah, and yesterday was also the finale of the dance competition. So the festival that we're here for, it's also a competition between solo dancers and big groups and also couples. So yesterday and the day before, Thursday and Friday, were the competition days, and yesterday was the finale. I think. I think. But yeah, I for sure have a few clips of that. So it was really nice. It was really, really nice to see. These people here can dance really well. But yeah, today is today and tomorrow are show days. So I'm excited to see what's gonna happen there. But yeah.
Vengo a emborracharme el corazón para olvidar un loco amor que más que amor fue un sueño. Y aquí vengo para eso, a borrar antiguos besos. Reserva esta noche, guárdala para mí. Compromisos como este, sabes que yo no